Hello, students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back to English online class. So, students, today we will revise how to write cursive capitals A to Z. Okay, now all of you take out your English books, my writing book, and open page number 2 to 22. Today we will revise how to write the cursive capital letters. So first of all, you all have to write date here. First write down date and classwork here. So what is the date today? 22. Write down 2 to 22, then put a dash, then 4, again put a dash, then 21. 22 April 21, and mention classwork also. So students, today we will revise how to write the cursive capital letters. So we start from letter A. So to write A, we start from which line? From the second blue line. Keep your pencils here a little bit up from the second blue line. Then first we have to make one curve like this, like this. Then keep your pencils here and like this. Now what comes after A? B. What comes after A? B. So to write B, we start from the first red line, turn, curve, another curve. Now what comes after B? Letter C. What comes after B? Letter C. To write C, we start from here a little bit up. From here, keep your pencils here, curve like this. Now what comes after C? Letter D. What comes after C? Letter D. So to write D, we start from here, one slanting line, turn up like this. Now what comes after D? Letter E. What comes after D? Letter E. So to write E, we start from here, keep your pencils here, one curve, turn, another curve, and then turn. Like this we will make letter E. So to write E, we start from the first blue line, slanting line, turn, curve, and curve. Now what comes after E? F. What comes after E? F. So how to write F? Keep your pencils here. First we will make one curve, then turn, like this we will make letter F. Now what comes after F? G. What comes after F? G. To write G, we start from the second blue line. From here, keep your pencils here, like this. Now what comes after G? H. What comes after G? H. Like this, and like this. Now what comes after H? I. What comes after H? I. Curve like this we will make letter I. Now what comes after I? J. What comes after I? J. First make one curve, slanting line till the third red line, curve, and like this we will make letter J. What comes after J? K. So to write K, we start from the first blue line, like this we will make, then from here one curve, turn, and then another curve. Like this we will make letter K. After K, what comes after K? L. What comes after K? L. Like this we will make letter L. Okay. Now what comes after L? M. What comes after L? M. Keep your pencils here a little bit up from the second blue line, curve, up, come down, again go up like this. M. Now what comes after M? N. What comes after M? N. Curve. Go up, down, again up. Now what comes after N? O. What comes after N? O. We start from the first red line. Round, round, round. Go up like this. We will make letter O. Now what comes after O? P. Start from the first red line. Slanting line. Turn. Curve. Then curve. Now how to write Q? First to make O. To write Q, first we have to make O like this. Then a little curve like this. Okay. Now what comes after Q? R. First make P. Then a curve. Okay. Now what comes after R? S. What comes after R? S. How to write S? Keep your pencils here. Slanting line. Turn. Curve. Turn. Like this we will make letter S. Now what comes after S? T. What comes after S? T. Curve. Like this we will make letter T. Now what comes after T? U. What comes after T? U. Curve. Down. Go up. On the same line make another curve. Okay. Now what comes after U? V. What comes after U? V. Slanting line. Curve. And curve like this. Now what comes after V? W. What comes after V? W. Small slanting line, curve, then U, make U, then make another U, and then little curve. Now what comes after W? X. What comes after W? X. Keep your pencils here. Slanting, curve, then make another curve like this. Okay, now what comes after X? Y. What comes after X? Y. Turn. On the same line, standing line. Turn and curve. Now what comes after Y? Z. What comes after Y? Z. Keep your pencils here a little bit low from the first red line. Curve. Another curve, turn and go up. So what comes after Y? Z. So like this we have to write cursive capital letters from A to letter Z. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So students, like this we have to write the cursive capital letters. That's all for today. One more thing, students, that you have to write cursive capital letters in very neat and clean handwriting. Okay.